Hello everyone. In this video I will guide you on how to hide followers list on Instagram. Here is my Instagram account, and once you tap on followers you can see the list of the followers. So let's dive right in on how you can hide this. First, open the Play Store app or Apple Store if you are on iOS. Now here search for Instagram. Then make sure to have installed the updated version of Instagram. If you are using an older version, this trick may not work. So open the Instagram app on your device and log into your account. Then, navigate to your profile page by tapping on your profile picture. Once you're on your profile page, look for the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on them to access the Instagram settings. Now here, tap on Settings and Privacy. After that, scroll down to the Who Can See Your Content section. Then, tap on Account Privacy. To hide your followers, you'll need to have a private account. If you haven't already set your account to private, toggle on the Private Account option. By enabling this feature, only approved followers will be able to see your posts and full follower list. But this feature is only available for personal accounts. If you have switched your Instagram account to a business account, you will get this message. Now let's look at how to switch your business account into a personal account. Here in Settings, tap on the Business Tools and Controls option. After that, tap on the Switch Account type. Then select the Switch to Personal Account option. Then confirm your decision by again taping on to switch to personal. This process may take time to switching your account. And that's it. Our Instagram account has successfully switched to a personal account. Again, go to the Account Privacy option. Then tap on the toggle button next to the private account. Once your account is private, anyone who visits your profile will see a message stating your account is private. They can still see your profile picture and bio, but your posts will be hidden. To follow you, they'll need to send a request. You'll then have the option to approve or deny their request. Once approved, they'll be able to see your follower list along with your posts. Now you can visit this account. Here you can see this account is now private and we cannot access followers. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to hide the followers list on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.